seated until the train does come to a full and complete stop, and I give you that all clear to disembark. For right now, remain fully seated as your train is still in motion. Remain fully seated, please. We are still in motion. So be inching forward, please remain fully seated. Remain fully seated, please remain seated. That's all clear now to disembark here at Frontierland. If we're exiting here, our one and only exit is all the way towards the front next to that fire marshal barrel.
Head on.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland. And we're carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms